If you are 50, 60, 70, or even 80 years old, what I'm about to tell you will completely change the future for you. On February 17th, 2012, the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published the results of perhaps the most significant anti-aging study of our time. It was more ambitious than anything I've ever witnessed before. Hi, I'm Dr. Victor Marchione, and I'm a board-certified physician. Though I can prescribe drugs and surgeries to most of my patients, I have seen such fantastic long-term results with natural remedies that I prefer prescribing natural treatments to my patients. It's my mission to uncover natural hidden secrets, and I'm constantly on the lookout for advancements being made in the field of natural healthcare, which is why I'm really excited about the Youth Activating Pill. I feel highly privileged to bring you a presentation on this amazing breakthrough where a group of over 100-year-olds became stronger, smarter, and felt younger by taking the Youth Activating Pill. It all started when a world-renowned team of researchers conducted a study on 70 members of the Century Club living in Sicily, Italy. All the participants in the study were born before 1912, which means they were all over 100 years old. In fact, the average age of the participants was 103 years. The end results of this study were nothing short of remarkable. Even my team members were dumbfounded. Finally, after years of painstaking research by some of the world's top scientists and doctors, we have scientific evidence that turns mainstream medicine on its head. And I'm not talking about indirect evidence gained from research done on rats, mice, or pigs. I'm talking the real thing. Research done on living humans aged over 100 years. Now, you might ask, why such an old group? Well, think about it. If you were researching a cholesterol cure, wouldn't you use people with high cholesterol? Or for that matter, if you were researching weight loss solutions, wouldn't you use overweight people? And that's why, for research on a youth remedy, we need old people. And 100 years, you'll agree, will qualify as old. Well, this group of over 100-year-olds, that included both men and women, were split into two groups. One group was given placebo for 6 months, while the other group was given the youth activating solution that was being researched. The clinical study was conducted according to the global standard of testing, randomized, double-blinded, and placebo-controlled. The participants were tested for any changes that occurred in their bodies. The results were stunning. Now, I wasn't physically present to gauge the reactions of the scientists, but I can imagine their excitement when they saw the results. Talk about impressive. After only 6 months of using the Youth Activating Pill, the over 100-year-old participants became stronger. Their walking distance increased by 40%. Their muscle mass increased by 8.73 pounds. They became smarter. Their memory increased significantly. Their mental fatigue levels reduced by 35%. And they became healthier. There was a reduction in their fat mass. Their muscle-to-fat ratio increased. On their own, each of these findings is worth celebrating. Together, they give us a mind-blowing breakthrough. Just imagine, all the over 100-year-old participants became more active, put on more muscle, displayed improved cognitive function, and felt less fatigue both mentally and physically. Incredible, right? And what's more incredible is the fact that all of this was accomplished without expensive drugs or surgery. So, what did it take for members of the Century Club to regain their former vitality? To not only halt age-related damage in its tracks, but to actually get relief from many of the harmful processes wreaked by Father Time. A single, easy-to-take nutrient. Now, if this nutrient did so many wonderful things for a group of tired, worn-out, and sometimes wheelchair-bound folks past their 100th birthday, just imagine what it could do for you. Now, if you're sick and tired of losing your glasses, forgetting names and appointment times, or are constantly plagued by senior moments, this is one of the most important presentations you'll ever see. In my years of experience, I've never seen a health breakthrough as significant as this one. I already had a hunch based on my own experience with my patients. Now that there is scientific evidence, I'm 100% convinced that you can actually slow your brain's aging to a crawl. You can wake up alert and finally say goodbye to the dreaded mental fog. You can store enough energy to play all day with your grandkids. And you can enjoy laser-focused thinking right through your retirement years. Won't it be nice to finally stop forgetting where you left those keys? Or how about stepping off your easy chair and onto the dance floor? You might think a breakthrough as significant as this will definitely be published sooner or later. The fact is, it will be later. It will take months, if not years, for America's medical community to rubber stamp the remarkable benefits proven in this study. Thousands of hours will be spent conducting exhaustive research to confirm what you and I know today. That's fine if you're in your 30s or 40s. But if you are over 50, you wouldn't want to miss a single day of feeling younger again, would you? I guess not. After all, who wants to become a burden on loved ones in their golden years? In just a moment, I'll show you how to use this landmark discovery to regain control of your health. While the mainstream medical community lags behind, you'll sprint ahead, feeling years younger in body and mind. Remember, it took less than 6 months for century-old seniors to go from old and feeble to youthful and vibrant. Well, I can't promise you'll live to be 103 years, but I'll do the next best thing. I'll introduce you to a simple daily regimen that will put you on the fast track to restoring your long-lost vitality, so you can start peeling back the years and enjoy every second of quality time with your friends and family. In a short while, I'll let you know how you too can get the benefits of the amazing youth-activating pill. But first, I want you to know how and why it works so effectively. The youth-activating pill has a substance called L-carnitine. Think of L-carnitine as a runner in a 4x400 meter relay race. Its main function is to facilitate the youthful transport of long-chain fatty acids across your cell's mitochondrial membrane so that the fatty acids can be turned into energy. Unfortunately, this relay race is hampered by oxidative damage as we age. Our mitochondria simply aren't able to perform the way they did when we were younger. Now, here are some statistics that will give you an idea of mitochondrial decline. At the age of 25, each of our heart cells has about 2,000 mitochondria, but by 70, that number may be only 1,000 or even less. Every year, you lose a staggering number of mitochondria in each of your cells. Not only that, you're exposed to more damaged mitochondria that leak in harmful free radicals into your cells. A vicious cycle occurs as these harmful free radicals wreak havoc, attacking your DNA and triggering premature aging. The consensus among researchers is that mitochondrial dysfunction plays a central role in the development of virtually all age-related problems. Not only does it trigger premature aging, it can be responsible for causing a host of other issues like making you feel sleepy all day or making you experience a general feeling of malaise. No wonder you don't jump out of bed each morning with the same energy you had when you were 25. And if you are like most people, you too might believe that your overall well-being is dictated by genes, that you can only be as healthy as your mom and dad were, that there's nothing you can do to slow the aging process or feel younger, that getting old is simply one of the realities of life. Well, as you're about to find out, you're 100% wrong on each of these points. The scientific results of the clinical study have been thoroughly scrutinized by the medical community. The over 100 years old people have proven convincingly that you can look younger and feel younger. After less than 6 months of taking the new youth-activating pill, these centenarians show dramatic improvements in nearly every measure of physical and mental activity. And there is no reason why the same changes cannot be experienced by you. Now please note, I'm not talking about a temporary fix. I'm talking about a holistic, healthy process that will rescue you from the ravages of time. Here's what can happen the moment you start this new daily regimen. The changes will begin from the inside out, cell by cell, translating into a host of health benefits you never thought possible. Like the scientists in Italy, I too am excited. In my opinion, this is exactly what you need to start rolling back the clock. This is positive proof that even if you're on the wrong side of 50, the best days of your life could still be ahead of you. As soon as I heard of this remarkable breakthrough, I rushed an urgent message to the scientists at Bel Marra. I told them to work on a new formulation based on this latest research. I asked them to take L-carnitine and enhance it further. The goal was to come up with the best youth-enhancing formula on the market today. The scientists at Bel Marra jumped at the challenge, and boy did they hit a home run. They went one better, recommending a supercharged form of L-carnitine called ACL-7. ACL-7 possesses significant strength over L-carnitine itself. It appears to reverse many age-associated declines in cellular function. It also has antioxidant properties that make up for your body's loss of natural defense fighters as you age. But that's not all. It's especially notable for its preferential effect on brain tissue. It crosses the blood-brain barrier and prevents oxidative damage. This is what makes you, you. There's a good reason why I say ACL-7 is supercharged. It has a boatload of benefits that you need to know about. It improves mitochondrial functioning. It supports healthy blood sugar. It combats free radicals, which, left unchecked, can wreak havoc on your body and age you prematurely. It boosts energy levels, and it supports cardiovascular health. Bottom line, very few substances I know of have been proven to protect cells throughout your body against such a wide range of age-related degeneration. In other words, you can start celebrating your birthdays in reverse. Now, wouldn't that be nice? Having enhanced the effects of L-carnitine, the scientists decided to go one further. Their thinking was, and I agree with them, why leave it at ACL-7? Especially when we can multiply the health benefits with a handful of other nutrients that have already been proven to revitalize your body and even put the brakes on aging. Resveratrol is at the top of that list. Does that name ring a bell? You may have heard about the French paradox that was in the news a few years ago. Experts observed that the French people had a surprisingly low incidence of coronary heart disease, especially when they took into account their high levels of dietary saturated fat and cigarette smoking. The experts suspected that the red wine, which the French people consumed regularly, might be providing an invisible shield against the damage to cardiovascular health. Their suspicions were well-founded because it so happens that red wine contains high levels of resveratrol. Resveratrol is a polyphenolic compound found in grapes, red wine, purple grape juice, and some berries. In early studies, resveratrol has been shown to help keep cells healthy, support healthy arteries, maintain healthy blood pressure, maintain sugar balance, and maintain clear and sharp mental function. Resveratrol has been found to help the body fight off free radical damage and work as a potent anti-inflammatory. And it even appears to help maintain fitness levels. Imagine having the combined youth-activating effects of the two most formidable age fighters known to the human race. Well, that is what the double-barreled approach of ACL-7 and resveratrol will give you. But wait, the story gets even better. In addition to the dynamic duo of ACL-7 and resveratrol, the scientists at Bel Marra Health upped the ante even further. They added in a potent blend of 6 carefully selected ingredients that would help you battle the effects of premature aging, each in its own unique way. These 6 additional nutrients provide unparalleled nutritional support. Number 1, vitamin C. The antioxidant activity of vitamin C has been widely reported. It promotes overall good health and has a beneficial effect on the appearance of your skin. Number 2, vitamin D. This crucial vitamin is manufactured in the skin with the help of ultraviolet rays from the sun. Vitamin D promotes both mental and physical health. Number 3, vitamin B6. This all-important vitamin is a crucial catalyst for over 60 different enzyme processes in your body. Number 4, vitamin B12. Working in tandem with the other B vitamins, vitamin B12 helps lower homocysteine levels, enhances energy production, protects heart health, and even boosts your intestinal well-being. Number 5, grape seed extract. The nutrient extract from grape seeds helps reduce varicose veins and supports peripheral circulation. Number 6, ginkgo biloba leaf extract. Recommended for a wide range of medicinal uses since the early 1500s, ginkgo has proved highly effective in battling memory lapses and improving brain functions. So, there you have it. A youth-activating pill that gives you the combined effects of 1 breakthrough age fighter, ACL-7, 1 proven age fighter, resveratrol, and 6 incredible nutritional supporters. The team at Bel Marra spent thousands of hours perfecting this formula. Only now are we 100% satisfied that we have the perfect combination of natural ingredients that will help you fight aging and make you stronger, smarter, and feel younger. This combination is going to be available to you as Clinical Strength Ageless Complex, or Ageless Complex for short. Trust me, Ageless Complex meets, if not surpasses, my high standards as a certified MD. It contains the same nutrients and doses shown in human clinical studies to provide the greatest health benefits. What's more, the formulation is so unique and exclusive, you won't find a nutrient complex like it anywhere else in the world at any price. So if you, or anyone close to you, is feeling the trappings of age, it's time to re-energize your youth with this new youth-activating pill. Now, whether you're 50 or 80, you know how important it is to be your best every day, both for yourself and for the loved ones around you. Remember, not that long ago you had the feeling of youthful immunity. It's like you were walking on air. Nothing could get you down. Well, you can relive that feeling all over again. You will jump for joy as you start to reap the same benefits as the over 100 years old participants in Italy. Incredibly, in only 6 months, they achieved what many would have considered impossible. They became stronger, smarter, healthier, and most importantly, they felt younger, years younger. I want you to reclaim your youthful exuberance too, from the inside out. With Ageless Complex, your life-changing restoration will begin at the cellular level and then radiate to your face, hands, feet, and entire body. Remember, younger-looking cells make a younger-looking you. So don't wait another day. Every day you wait, you'll lose one more day of being stronger, smarter, and feeling younger. Try Ageless Complex now and see for yourself how amazing and life-affirming the results can be. If it can miraculously rejuvenate our most senior citizens, I have absolutely no doubt it can do the same, perhaps even more, for a younger person like you. If you're not 100% thrilled with this wonderful youth-enhancing product, simply return the unused portion within 30 days and get a full refund on your purchase price. No questions asked. To you, the offer might seem too good to be true. For us, it's the best way to get you to try Clinical Strength Ageless Complex. After all, nothing can convince you better than seeing and feeling the results for yourself. You'll marvel as the years literally melt from your body. You may start remembering tiny details that you thought were lost forever, and you'll have renewed confidence knowing the new youth-activating formula is at work, boosting your health at the cellular level. You can order a trial pack today, or you can save money by ordering a 3, 6, or even a 12-month supply. After all, with Bel Marra's unique money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. What's more, if you order today, you can receive 3 free gifts. 3 invaluable guides that have been designed to make you turn back the clock. Free gift number 1, a report on how to look 10 years younger overnight. Free gift number 2, a special report on the future of aging, modern medicine's 11 anti-aging breakthrough discoveries. Free gift number 3, a report on how to wipe out high cholesterol and high blood pressure without dangerous drugs. As you can see, everything about this presentation, right from the youth-activating pill to the free gifts, are designed to make you stronger, smarter, and feel younger. So click on the link below and start your journey to happier times.